gosh, did you crawl through a Band-Aid factory? Let me try. Nah, it'll hurt too much. Hold up, nearly got it handled. Let's try a Vaseline fix. The moment of truth. Perfect. Works like magic every single time. A potty break? Seriously? Here, problem solved. Relax, no one will see you here. Not really your vibe? Are we trying to climb Mount Everest or what? Wait a sec, that's exactly what we need. DIY potty on the go. Potty served, princess. No joke, your dad's a smarty. Oh snap, plot twist. My turn. This ride's about to shine. Yo son, chill with the heat. Red alert, time to flex my best look. Check that dude. I got spotted, awesome. Action time. Oh, he's low-key hilarious. That went sideways. Literally, you gotta be kidding me. Meh, their loss. I got my hands full right now anyway. Huh, nice and fresh. All set to hit the road. Hey, sweetie, you good? Nah, we're not doing that. Daddy just cleaned the car. It can't be happening. The joys of parenthood. Hold up. I just thought of something. Let's dress this seat up. Fits like a glove. I'm full of genius ideas. Move to that beat, yeah. What's he up to? Itchy! Oh dear, I know just what'll fix it. Just a few drops on each wristband. All safe now. Time to get some shut-eye. Night-night, sleep tight. Ugh, monsters! Huh? Sweetie, I'm coming! Where are they? And who? Monsters! It's okay, sweetie. Daddy's here. I'll read for you. Phew! Finally! Huh? I catch the pattern now. DIY time! I inflated a glove and then let the air out. It goes into a glass like this. Next, we need rice. I'm gonna fill the glove. That's enough. Gotta pull it out now. All set with the backup hand? Let's do this. And it works! Keep it down, keep it down. I got you something. Nice job. That's really pretty. You wrote your name. Good job. Yikes, I didn't think that through. It won't do. They'll dry out. See? Much better. Wait, where are the caps? Gotcha. Here's another one. Haha, I'd make a great detective. I'm afraid you're just gonna lose them again, right? Eureka! I'm ranking you up to a cap holder. I guess it'll do. We line the markers just like this. Next, stick the tape on, sticky side down. No more wasting time playing a detective. Nice one! Here you go! Gotta cram all his little treasures in here somehow. Guess I got too optimistic. We're not leaving without wet wipes. Swap time. You gotta go. I'll take one. No, let's be real here. I need more. Slides right into any bag. Mom's gonna take care of those pesky germs. I did need the whole pack. He's growing so fast. Ew! Red alert. Extreme situation. It's gonna end badly. Phew, barely made it. Time for a little cleanup. That's a really pointy corner. Oh no, it won't do. Now we're talking. I can breathe out. Hold up. Not on my watch. No! Stay away from the outlets. Just the right fit. We won't need the whole pack, just this part. Got to attach it here. Locked in tight. Wait. I'm so gonna get fired. Oh, hey, how are you? Haven't seen you for ages. Wait, where's my kid? Oh no. Have you seen her? No, sorry. Thank you so much. Good idea with that bracelet. I'll make an accessory that will keep my kids safe. Pretty beads and my phone number. They'll call me if she wanders off. Thanks again. I made you some yummy smacks. Huh? Then what do you want? A burger? Fine, you'll get your burger, but it'll be a very healthy burger. Apple, kiwi, peach, strawberries, banana, another apple slice, and French apples. Bon appetit, my little fast food lover. Huh? What a mess. Well, challenge accepted. Ninja mode activated. How bad is it? 0 to 10? Stinky disaster. Time to tackle this mess.